Okay, how to solve this? Ito na ngayon ang ating solution. Again, ang ating given, 27 over square root of x equals 9 over 3. Okay, ang first step muna natin gagawin, i-cross multiply muna natin siya. Kopyahin natin ang given, then cross multiply. Ang 27 ay imumultiply sa 3 at ang 9 naman ay mamumultiply sa square root of x. Gawin natin. 9 times square root of x equals 27 times 3. What will happen? 9 times square root of x equals, that will become 81. Then 9, the square root of x equals 81. We're going to divide both sides by numerical coefficient 9. Gawin natin. Then, ang matitira na lang sa left ay square root of x. Dahil makakancel na natin, which is equivalent to 1. Then, 81 divided by 9 is 9. Therefore, this will become square root of x equals 9. Next, we're going to copy square root of x equals 9. Kopyahin muna natin. Then, paano natin matatanggal yung radical sign sa x? Gagawin natin, i-square natin both sides para matanggal yung ating radical sign or square root symbol. This will become square root of x squared equals 9 squared. Then, mariremove na natin ngayon ang ating radical sign. Why? Kasi when we square radical, square root symbol, this will become 1. Because 1 half of 2 is equivalent to 1. Therefore, the remaining will become the radicand, which is x. Then x equals 9 squared is 81. Therefore, the final answer in this given is x equals 81.